Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be more focused on skin. It's actually going to be on a very natural makeup for when you want to go out during the day, to work, something easy, natural looking that you can also do at night. It's what I call like a perfect foundation routine, but natural looking. The good news is that all the products I used in this video you can find in the drugstore. I am partnering up with Physicians Formula, which is one of my favorite drugstore brands, and I am using their new organic wear collection. Yes, more and more we should use cleaner products on our faces, and I'm so excited about this collection. The products are amazing. They are organic and they really work, especially the foundation. I'm obsessed with it, and the face highlighter. But you guys will get to see me trying everything on and creating this dewy, natural foundation routine. So let's get to it. So this is the finished look. Very natural makeup, but still covering everything, and it will be perfect for photos as well. I decided not to do much on my eyes, just to really focus more on skin. But as you saw, I used some face products on my eyes as well, which is very helpful and versatile. But yeah, I'm super excited about this full collection. The products are amazing. They work so well. The quality is so good. And I'm really excited for you guys to try. And let me know in the comments what you thought about it, if you have tried it, and if you do, let me know as well what you thought about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please rate it positively. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Stay beautiful.